Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT, PGT, English Literature and other English Literature associated exams as a practice set 28. Let's start. Question number 1. On seeing whom does Miranda exclaim, "O Father, surely that is a spirit. Lord, how it looks about." Caliban, Ferdinand, Alonso, Stefano. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Ferdinand. Option B will be the right answer. These lines have been taken from Shakespeare's famous play The Tempest, which probably written in 1610 to 11 and thought to be one of the last play Shakespeare wrote done. Next question. Next question. In which play of Shakespeare is there a tribute to Marlowe as the dead shepherd? Twelfth Night, Measure for Measure, As You Like It, The Tempest. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be As You Like It. Option C will be the right answer. As You Like It is a pastoral comedy by William Shakespeare. In this play of Shakespeare, there is a tribute to Marlowe as the dead shepherd. Next question. There is a soul of goodness in things evil. Putman observingly distill it out. Who has written it? Ben Jonson, Christopher Marlowe, William Shakespeare, G.B. Shaw. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be William Shakespeare. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Who said about Shakespeare that he knew small Latin and less Greek? Robert Greene, Thomas Kate, Dr. Samuel Johnson, Ben Jonson. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Ben Jonson. Option D will be the right answer. Ben Jonson was contemporary playwright of William Shakespeare. He quoted this line, small Latin and less Greek, about William Shakespeare. Next question. In the play The Tempest, Prospero is the Duke of Milan, Kent, Edinburgh, Naples. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Milan. Option A will be the right answer. Prospero is the main character in The Tempest. He is the Duke of Milan, who was overthrown by his brother Antonio 15 years before the starts of the play and cast adrift in a boat with his Bobby daughter Miranda. Next question. In which epilogue Rosalind, before bidding farewell, makes a last appeal to Jacques to be happy, her father to live in Arden, the bowman in the audience to like the play, Ganymede not to trouble Orlando. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be the woman in the audience to like the play. Option C will be the right answer. In epilogue, Rosalind, before bidding farewell, makes a last appeal to the bowman in the audience to like the play. Next question. Which of the following options aptly conveys the underlying theme of Wordsworth's poem The Tables Turn? A call to mankind asking him to learn moral philosophy intuitively from nature rather than from books. An appeal to venerate science and arts as the one source of moral education and growth rather than while away our time with nature. An awakening message to mankind asking him to worship books as his preacher and teacher about moral values. A clarion call to scientists and artists to teach mankind the moral of evil and good. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be a call to mankind asking him to learn moral philosophy intuitively from nature rather than from books. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. A call to mankind asking him to learn moral philosophy intuitively from nature rather than from books. The Tables Turned is a poem written by William Wordsworth in 1798 and published in his Lyrical Ballads. It is a poem mainly about the importance of nature. Next question. Who utters the words, "O cause, 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 my pretty little cause, that thou didst know how many fathom deep I am in love in as you like it"? Celia, Fabi, Orlando, Rosalind. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Rosalind. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Rosalind in Shakespeare's As You Like It disguised herself as Elena, Silvius, Ganymede, Jax. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Ganymede. Option C will be the right answer. Rosalind in the heroine of the famous comedy of William Shakespeare As You Like It. As You Like It is a pastoral comedy by William Shakespeare written in 1599 and published in 1623. In this play, she disguises herself as male shepherd named Ganymede. Next question. The character of the leech gatherer appears in The Recluse, The Prelude Book First, Laodamia, Resolution and Independence. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Resolution and Independence. Option D will be the right answer. Resolution and Independence is a lyric poem of the English Romantic poet William Wordsworth, which published in 1807. The character of the leech gatherer appears in Resolution and Independence. So friends, I hope enjoy the learning about 10 questions. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.